happy cooking all the time. How are you all? Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy everyday, Happy birthday, Happy wedding, Happy graduation. Every day is a holy day according to our Son of Master Jermaine, Sananda Jesus, and the angels. What I'm showing you is Kilawin with rice. The Filipinos love rice, as all the Asians as well. And here are raw Kilawin. Kilaw means hilaw. We have tuna, salmon, wawi, and more delightful, and carrots as well, and more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes, yummy to the tummy. Written by her daughter, speaking to you over the video, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And all my 22 books you'll find worldwide, yes, 22, and Mom and Chef is one of the 22. And if you would like to get my mom's cookbook quickly in your computer, you could order ebook or Kindle, and it will be in your computer quickly. Or a paperback format as well, like my mom's cookbook right here. Available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Noble, all bookstores near you globally, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bsedmscd.com. The other one is juanitagutierrez.com. Come on and eat. I love my mom's Kilawin. And she cooks Kilawin with papaya as well. Here in the USA where I am, we seldom see papaya. And when we see papaya, it's already ripe. When we cook Kilawin, it should be raw. And so you could use as well, I use carrots. And we have raw tuna, raw salmon, and raw mackerel as well. And we have rice in the middle, jasmine aromatic rice. Come on and eat. But before we do, my beloved parents and grandparents always tell us to bless our food. Isn't it important? Blessing for food. Mighty I am presence. Accept this food. Make it pure and holy. Transmute it into thy violet golden flame of divine love, and see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought forever self-sustained. And so it is done, beloved, I am. And that's my 22nd book. Yes, I Am God is my 22nd book, written by yours truly, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And you could find it at juanitagutierrez.com and juanitagutierrez, BSED, MSED.com. And we are surrounded with some of my 22 books. You will see partly hidden is The Rose in the Tuma. When I went to Mexico to cover the Miracles of Our Lady of Guadalupe, Mom and excuse me please, I'm excited. My mother and I traveled to Mexico, Europe, and worldwide. My beloved parents also traveled worldwide, as well as my siblings and their own families. And another book of mine, partly hidden, is How to Discern If God Calls You to Monastery Life as well. And we are going to enjoy this all together. Come on and eat. While we and the rice is still hot a little bit, I'm inviting you all for a 10% discount using my name, Juanita. If you would like to order at www.allfressyfood.com or over the phone here in New York City, New York, USA, where I am, 1833 Got Crab. Thank you for your support and enjoy the 10% discount using my name, Juanita. And they have really good seafoods. My beloved parents own a yacht or a huge fishing boat named after Saint Anthony. And because Saint Anthony had a miracle with my beloved parents when they were newlyweds. My mom, if I could show you, is a patron saint. My mom's patron saint, excuse me please, is Saint Anthony. And so their fishing boat, a yacht or a huge fishing boat, was named after St. Anthony. And so we always have fresh seafoods. You could eat fresh shrimps, raw, and they taste so sweet. So now we have raw tuna, we have raw mackerel, we have raw salmon as well. And they taste so very sweet. With rice, as you know, the Philippines love rice. Now, come on, Nate. We're going to taste this all together. And let me get my, give me please, my spoon for you as well. Let's share this all together. Come on and eat. And let me get a fork for you. Share this all together. Yummy to the tummy. When we are preparing food, we always have to taste it, and our tummy is full as well. Let's start with rice. I love jasmine aromatic rice. The Filipinos love rice. The Asians love rice. Everybody loves rice. For you and me and all of us, yum. Let's have the tuna. And you know, they're very sweet when they are raw. Excuse me, please. For you and me and all of us. And very, very soft and tender as well. Yum. Tastes like the sea. Let's have carrots for you and me and all of us. So soft, really marine life. And let's enjoy with our red wine without alcohol. Cheers! For long lives, prosperity, good health, peace, unity, compassion, happiness, love, and light to us all. Right now and continuously. Wow, this is really yummiest. Yummy to the tummy. Come on and eat. In the Tagalog language, kain na po tayo. In the Tagalog language, super delicious, flavorful, napakasarap. And happy cooking means masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. Enjoy Kilawin with jasmine aromatic rice. Super flavorful, super gourmet. Yummiest.